two people are missing after a massive fire at a construction site in Charlotte. Take a look at these photos. People have been rescued, 15 of them, including someone who was stuck on a crane as smoke and flames billowed below. The city's fire chief says 90 firefighters were called to the scene.
It was a very fast-moving fire. High heat conditions, well over 2,000 degrees. And as a construction site is open, a lot of wood is exposed. The fire moved very rapidly.
NBC News correspondent Marissa Parra is following all of this closely. Marissa, where do the rescue efforts stand right now?
Well, you know, we actually just got an update within the last couple of minutes. You mentioned those two workers who were considered missing. Well, within the last couple of minutes, Charlotte Fire just put out on their Twitter account that those two construction workers have been accounted for. There's no further details on what their status is, but that is a significant update because before 5 minutes ago, they were considered still missing. And you look at the flames here. I mean, this has been such a difficult fire to fight. We were told by the Charlotte Fire Department that they were there within minutes. This started about 5 hours ago, and this is something that is still active. They're going to be working on this throughout the day. But you saw 90 firefighters on scene, and their efforts have been described as heroic to get 15 people out of that fire. But Cynthia, just to give you an idea of just how difficult it has been to fight this, we were told that there were several Mayday calls, which means that the firefighting crews themselves also needed rescuing at certain points throughout the day.
Goodness, Marissa, is there any indication of how the fire started?
That's a great question, and that's obviously something that's going to take time. For right now, I think their priority is trying to get the fire out. They're looking into reports that maybe a generator might have been involved, but, you know, those are things that come after, once the fire is out, right, the fire investigators. But we talked about just how significant this blaze was. I want to take you to a witness who described what they saw.
We saw a big plume of black smoke around 9:15 this morning. So we started walking over here from our office building. And then as soon as we got right about to this location, we saw big yellow flames shooting up from this apartment building. It was very hot in the smoke. The water in my eyes, it was insane. I've never experienced anything like this.
Now, while we do not know yet how this fire started, we can say that it was a construction site. There was a lot of open wood, exposed wood, which really helped to feed that fire. So, Cynthia, I will leave you with this. It got up to 2,000 degrees. So, again, we talk about the difficulties fighting this fire. There was also a significant amount of heat that they were dealing with as well.
Amazing, and amazing that they found those other two workers. Marissa Parra, our thanks to you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.